Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up WorldGuard. First, you'll need to download the WorldGuard plugin and its essential companion, WorldEdit. Make sure to grab versions compatible with your Minecraft server. Once downloaded, simply drag and drop both JAR files into your server's plugins directory. After placing them, restart or reload your server to ensure WorldGuard initializes correctly. This crucial first step gets your server ready for advanced region protection. Now that WorldGuard is installed, let's define your first protected area. Grab a wooden axe. This is your WorldEdit selection tool. Left-click to mark the first corner of your region, then right-click to mark the opposite diagonal corner. You'll see a message confirming your selection. To double-check, type //cell in chat. This command shows you the number of blocks selected, ensuring your region encompasses the intended area for protection. With your selection made, it's time to create the region. First, type //expandvert to extend your selection from the very bottom of the world to the very top, ensuring full vertical protection. Next, use /rg create region name to establish your region. Don't forget to add yourself as an owner with /rg add-owner region name your username. You can also set a custom greeting message for players entering the region, like "Welcome to my protected area." WorldGuard offers many powerful flags to customize your regions. To prevent players from breaking or placing blocks, use /rg flag region name build deny. If you want to stop player versus player combat, set the PvP flag to deny. You can also control mob spawning within your region. Remember, you can always add specific players as members to allow them to build, even if the build flag is denied for others.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.